Hi, I'm Janis and I am from Uberphone in Forsyth, and I am going to show you my 3 top gift ideas for Father's Day. I'm going to start with our wireless IP camera, which is very reasonably priced at $39.99. It's very easy to install and even easier to use. You download an app on your phone, you can control it from your phone. It's fantastic for whether you want to keep an eye on your property, fantastic for keeping an eye on the dog, and as I say, fantastic product. I absolutely love it. I have one at home so I can keep an eye on who's done the dishes and who hasn't. And my next product is a fast wireless charger, which is suitable for any wireless phone. Don't worry if your phone is not wireless like mine, because we also have handy adapters. So that's one in my 6G, and now it's wireless. Fantastic. So easy to use, really stylish looking, great wee product. Your dad will love it. And last but not least is my other absolute gem of a product. This is our little handy pocket speakers, which the sound out of them is fantastic. They take 2 hours to charge and you get, they say 4 hours playtime, but trust me, you get way more than that. I have really used this product at home. Just hook up via Bluetooth with your tablet or your phone. And that's you. Your dad will love it. But be warned, if you buy one, you're going to need to buy 2 because somebody else is going to want it. And don't forget, if you download the Uberphone app, you can get 20% off any of these products, and you also can get 10% off any repairs. How's that?